The world of technology is moving faster than ever. In 2026, AI is no longer just in our phones, it's in everything we touch. Today, we are looking at the top 3 mind-blowing AI gadgets that are changing the way we live. Let's dive in. First up, we have the next generation of AI smart glasses. Forget your smartphone. These glasses project a high-definition display right in front of your eyes. Whether you need real-time language translation while traveling or instant navigation while driving, these glasses do it all with simple voice commands. It's like having a personal assistant on your face. Next is the AI Home Companion. This isn't just a vacuum cleaner. It's a smart robot that manages your entire home. It can monitor your home security, remind you of your meetings, and even help you cook by suggesting recipes based on what's in your fridge. It's the ultimate time saver for busy professionals. And finally, the universal AI earbuds. These are a game changer for international communication. They provide near-instant two-way translation in over 100 languages. You can have a natural conversation with anyone, anywhere in the world, without ever feeling lost in translation. This is truly the end of language barriers. Which of these gadgets would you use every day? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech updates from the future. Thanks for watching.